Hi. I am Subham. Welcome back to my channel with another live example. How can you get 800 points or 80,000 rupees profit from gold on commodity or MCX market? This is simple and very easy tricks which I show you in this video. Here you can see the gold chart and I am using 1 hour time frame for trading. Price trend is upper direction as per candle chart. CCI indicator showing lower direction as per this graph. Means to opposite direction which indicate that now trade can possible on indicator direction that is negative or sell trade. Middle line on CCI hook is above the zero line and I draw a line to know the breakdown point. Mark the selling point that is 51684 area. It's made a low at near 50850 area approximate. If we book at 51180 approximate, that means near 500 points from this trade. Yes, you can use 0.7% to 1% for this 1 hour trading time frame, which also indicate 350 to 500 points approximate. Now back to the chart again. Now CCI positive and price negative trend direction. Middle hook under the zero line. CCI line crossed over the red line that I drawn. Now check out the price. See the buying point at near 50902 area and high made 51350 area, which also indicate our 350 plus points achieved easily. Next the price showing lower direction. But CCI again on positive trend. Draw a line for find out the trade point. But if you check it carefully, then middle hook is not proper and not able to touch the red line which I draw for confirmation the trade. If you see the price after the crossover, it's going up 400 to 500 points from the crossover. But follow the rules properly, which is good for easy trading knowledge. After that there are no trade zones seen as per chart. Back-to-back two trade give you approximate 800 points, or you can say 80,000 rupees profit per lot on gold stock in commodity market. That's all for the day. This is the best tricks which is called CCI divergence. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel and share it to your nearest one. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more live tricks and updates.